Legendary Mia X from No Limit Records had a standout performance at the recent Cash Money vs No Limit Records versus battle. It was an electrifying night, and after the show, NBA King LeBron James showed his admiration for No Limit Records, especially Mia X. LeBron shared a post calling Mia X the MVP of the night, describing her as cold. In response, Mia X expressed her gratitude, saying, "Thank you so much, Miss Kelly spotted you all in the crowd. I'm so happy you came, King James. What do you all think about Mia X's performance at the Versus battle?"